First of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA. Thank you so much for doing the interview. And I'm sure this interview is going to be very special, for all your fans. Quickly starting with that, as my first question to you is, since, you said yes to Mehndi Hai Rachne Wali, और अब से लेके personally and professionally किस तरह की journey रही, and अगर कुछ changes आया तो वो क्या था?
Changes वही है कि बाहर निकलो तो people will be like, ma'am selfie.
And we never expect all this. We never felt कि राघव पल्लवी, मतलब इतना सारे लोग देखते हैं, so many people like राघव पल्लवी. We didn't knew this.
And since we live here in Kolhapur, we are like away from the fact कि कोई बात कर रहा है क्या, सच में हमारे शो की बात हो रही है क्या? We still are like struggling with that. But that's the change, I think. People are recognizing, and it's awkward for me.
It's awkward for me usually. So, bless her.
Trying to adjust.
Okay. Talking about especially you both, starting May, how fans are, when starting May, you people, when not posting pictures with each other, you had your own reasons. So what was the reason? And now it's a complete different picture. You poke fun on each other in your Insta stories. You're very comfortable. So what was the thing that starting May, wo camaraderie nahi bani, and especially fans wants to know.
Awkwardness. हम लोग एक दूसरे को इतना जानते
Shy
हैं.
people, no. Shy people are like, and introverts are mostly like, they can write about themselves, they can post about themselves. तो हम लोग खुद का post करो, खुद का देख लो, खुद का caption सोचो. Thinking about caption, I think, is the toughest out of everything, and I find it very weird also. इसलिए नहीं किया.
Okay.
But now we know we are dumb. Both of us are dumb, so I don't judge it.
तो वो क्या था, मतलब वो क्या फेस था या वो क्या चीज जिससे वो awkwardness पूरी तरह चेंज हो गई and you people got more comfortable with each other?
पता नहीं यार, मतलब ऐसा क्या हो गया हैदराबाद में, आई गेस जब हम लोग हैदराबाद गए थे तभी हम लोग एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे थे. Slowly, that's how it began. That's how
Raghav and Pallavi got married, and we had no option but to shoot with each other. रोज आके तू मेरे साथ ही पहला सीन करेगा. You'll end the day with me. You'll start the day with me.
Right.
तो slowly we are like, अच्छा, what else? What else? I think.
मैं इतना भी बुरा नहीं हूँ. मैं इतना भी बुरा नहीं हूँ.
बहुत बुरा.
नहीं. So apparently she fell sick in Hyderabad, और मैं उस state में I couldn't see Shivangi in that state, and that's how I was talking to her. I was like, are you feeling good? Are you feeling better? Please take care. Have medicines. उसका सर दबा रहा था मैं. So वैसा था.
Okay. So do you people remember, of course you people are newcomers in your own way. So जब, when you people said was locked down for the show, the first day आप एक दूसरे से मिले थे, what was the perception and how has it changed now that you have shot so much with each other? Starting with Sayu, yeah, anyone you can start, yeah, please. What was the honest, real perception about Shivangi?
About Shivangi, मैं सोचा अरे ये कौन है यार, ठीक है. And she told, "Hi Sai, how are you?" Like I just glared at her and like, "Hi." I walked off from there. Like,
हम लोग सबसे पहले जब हमने एक दूसरे को देखा था, that was in our look test, और दोनों साथ में आए थे, और मैं सबसे पहले पहुंची थी, of course, because girls have a lot of makeup and hair to do. This guy came a little late.
Because I was called late. हाँ.
मैंने कुछ late
No, I didn't come late. I was called late.
You come late, okay, every time.
No.
So he came and I was like, "Arey, I'll be very good friends with my co-star." तो मैंने एकदम जोश में, I'm an introvert, but मैं खुद को रात से मना रही that I'm going to go and say hi. So I said एकदम full prepared, and that hi also came from यहाँ से आया था है. And I said, "Hey, hi," and he's like, "Hi," and then he started talking to somebody else. He's like, हाँ, फिर ऐसे हुआ, फिर ये हुआ, and I've done this, I've done that, and I'm like, I'm looking here and there कि किसने देखा मुझे इसको हाय बोलते हुए, किसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि इसने भाव नहीं दिया. सबने देखा, जितने भी थे, सारे makeup, hair, the costume team, everybody saw, and I was like, okay, I'm not talking to you henceforth. So then I
I'm
did.
sorry. I'm sorry.
तू कितना भी sorry बोल उसके
I'm sorry.
तूने बार यहाँ सेट किया है, ignoring me.
It's hurting.
Yeah. So that was the first thing. But of course, we didn't talk much. पर सबसे पहली बात I think बातचीत
अरे हैदराबाद में
नहीं मतलब हाँ हैदराबाद में, but not even on the first day. तभी भी हमारे सीन कुछ ज्यादा नहीं थे, तभी बस सीन जो करना था वो करके निकल गए थे. I think second, third day we were like just talking, and I was like, this guy is.
But properly we spoke, I guess, in Hyderabad.
Right.
The second time.
Then when we got married, no, then we were like कि अब हम दोनों ही set पे मतलब show में married. We are just sitting and I'm like क्या option नहीं है अब, let's try and talk to this person.
But still we were not on the same page.
Yeah, no, we were not.
But
Not
then
on the same.
eventually it just.
Yeah. So now what is the perception about each other as an actor, as a friend? What is the perception about each other?
In what ways?
As an
I think
actor, as
he's
a friend, yeah. How do you think
hardworking
about this
and-
person as a co-star or as a friend?
She's a fantastic actor. First of all, she's a fantastic actor. I really love her dedication towards her work. And she's very calm and settled down. Very much calm person. और कभी-कभी हाँ, she gives a lots of good suggestions. I mean, correct suggestions, but I don't take it. I have to
I always
accept it.
tell him कि मेरी बात सुना कर. Every day I tell him, listen, your Google Pay is not going to work. Your Google Pay is not going to work.
अरे वो
When I
सर्वर
say
में
this is
प्रॉब्लम
going
था.
to-
सर्वर में
When I
प्रॉब्लम
say ये नहीं चलने वाला है, तो that's me, and I'm always right.
Still, I'll not consider it.
About him, he's very very hardworking, and it's a big turn off if your co-star or your friend is not okay-ish type. But I was like happy, maybe thoda खड़ूस है, but I was like नहीं यार, actor अच्छा
खड़ूस
है,
लेकिन दिल का अच्छा है.
hardworking है,
दिल का अच्छा है.
hardworking है, और जो है he'll say it out. He'll be like, I don't want to talk to you. So I was like, चलो ठीक है, I can manage with such a person. और फिर धीरे धीरे he started talking, and if you talk to him more, you'll understand that he's a small kid. अभी तक बड़ा नहीं हुआ है.
Okay. When you were, because you people have so much scenes together. What was that one scene job, you really, was impressed by each other's acting skill? So what was that one scene?
Each other's acting.
Yeah, I mean, you were really impressed,
You
with each other.
I liked. I used to like the scenes which he used to have with his mother in initial days.
Okay.
So I think from there I was like, oh, this guy is not that bad. Matlab, you were not bad, but I'm like, he can do like really well. Like, he's performing really well. Which initial days I was like, nahi. ऐसा है वैसा है ये कम है. Of course you can see the other person. You can't judge your own performance. I used to judge your performance, but then after seeing those scenes I was like, no, he's a good actor.
Yeah. And what about you?
तीन के हिसाब से परफॉर्म करता हूँ.
हाँ मुझे पता है, but
तो एक्स्ट्रा भी नहीं कम भी नहीं, बैलेंस रहना चाहिए.
नहीं extra नहीं, but I was like, when you're standing and you are observing the other person when the other person is talking, that's where you're like, okay, if he's a good actor or no. Have you not done that? I've done that a lot on the set.
I don't judge.
Arey, judge matlab not judge, but you're like, this could have been better, this could have been better. You do that, right? As an actor, you're like, if I was at your place, I would say, yeah.
That's why I take cuts में काफी लेता हूँ. I take 4-5 cuts. 4-5 cuts में लेता हूँ because I get some idea. We'll do something this. We'll do something this. We'll do something this.
Okay, now it's your chance. You have to say about one scene where you were really impressed by Shivangi's acting skills.
There's one scene where I'm in this hospital and I'm unconscious and she tells and get up Raghav. तो वो scene मुझे अच्छा लगा. मतलब I don't like. If I like something, I'll tell it. But if I don't like, I don't even tell it.
Yeah, I remember you. Because इसकी आंखें बंद थी and he was telling.
But I was still able to.
I could hear it and it was sounding like really good.
Good.
So
Right. Right.
So as an actor, I know the voice modulation. कि सामने वाला actor किस force से किस intensity से बात कर रहा है.
सुर.
So
Right.
मुझे लगा अच्छा लगा. I totally see it. It's nice.
Right.
लेकिन इसके पहले जो भी था, don't ask me.
क्या?
इसके पहले जो भी था, don't ask me.
Okay, so guys, I want to know, as an actor, what is the give and take? I mean, जब आप scene shoot करते हैं, जैसे you just said कि she gives a suggestion. So as an actor, what is the give and take to make sure that the scene comes very beautifully? What is the give and take between you people?
I don't take suggestions. In acting, I don't
I
take
don't know this
suggestions.
man.
Honestly,
Yeah, you're insulting me right now. I don't take suggestions. On a very serious note, excuse me. On a very serious note, it's of course if the scene belongs to him, I will not try to interfere much. I would still tell him that this is sounding wrong. This sounds weird to me. Rest, I leave it to him that you correct it or you want to make some changes. That's the thing. And when we both are performing, we do have rehearsals where so where we decide कि ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. Initial days वो भी नहीं होता था हमसे because we were like not on the same page.
I used not even do rehearsals.
हाँ, he used to walk off. He used to walk off. मैं dialogue बोलते बोलते लड़का निकल जाता था ना, इसलिए so
What about the same thing? Yeah.
He doesn't take suggestions. Na? You didn't listen to him. Such a good co-star.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'll move to the next question. Okay, so quickly, the few questions I want to ask you. What's the best thing and most irritating thing about each other? Shivangi, you start.
Oh, we have been asked this question.
कितने बार ये शायद ये दूसरी बार पूछ रहे हैं. The same question on the same day.
Best thing, I think he's hardworking. He's like, I want to do this, I want to do that, and I like that spirit. Bad thing is too many takes.
Yeah, because I get new ideas.
Yeah, so too many takes, and that's like.
I get new ideas. नहीं इस line में ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Now what about you? You want to say a one good thing and irritating or a bad thing about Shivangi?
मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है ना मेरे लिए अच्छा बोलने के लिए. You have nothing good to say about me. That is so mean.
What?
I'm talking so much.
She came to assumption now.
Assumption? Acha, tell.
See, she does very well. She does. I don't have any complaints on her acting. But on a personal note, she thinks a lot, she overthinks a lot, and she'll never open up. That's it.
Okay. Among you two, who is the listener and who is the chatterbox?
Chatterbox.
Both, I can say. I listen to also, I chatter also.
Right.
Talk also. It's good to talk. That's how the communication builds.
Right. Okay. Who laughs if there is a serious scene and who have this habit of just laughing and just cracking the intensity of the scene? If ऐसा आप दोनों में से कोई है तो.
If it is a serious scene or it's a.
No one laughs. I don't laugh.
But if it's a comedy scene, then he will laugh. The credit goes to him.
Okay.
But if it's a serious scene, no one is serious like me on the set.
Right.
I'm very serious.
Okay, guys, last few questions I wanted to ask, you people are, of course, you're an actor and you do a lovable job and that's the reason your characters are loved so much. But does it become awkward, when fans, started comparing you and, they sometimes wish that, I wish they are, couple in real life, like how fans are. So has it been awkward initially and now you're like, it's okay, it's the part and parcel of my job. So what was the reactions initially?
I think it is awkward, but
I used to just read and next message.
Next
message.
Because
that's it.
When you're alone and you're reading it, you're like completely fine with it and you're looking at it and you're like, "Haan, theek hai yaar, we look very good on screen. People love the jodi and stuff." But when we are together and somebody like you just said, we both are like now awkward. We don't know what to say. So we're like, "Haan, theek hai." But now after so many months, we are like, हाँ ठीक है, people are thinking in their head we are married in a personal life also. We are like, okay, if you want to see us that way, we're okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Lastly, one habit one typical habit of which each other you want to say. It can be a very typical habit which you can imitate, or you can say what would be that.
A typical habit.
Yeah, a very typical habit which you can imitate, or anything like that. You both are.
Batao. No, we are not clueless. We just don't want to spill the beans.
No, nothing I said. Typical habit.
Batao kuch.
Yeah, any annoying habit you find. Now it's your choice. I'm not going to force you. Yeah.
You have something for me. I don't know yours. Like.
What I do is any gesture. जो अरे बार बार होता है normally.
Not really. ऐसे कुछ नहीं. I don't really have anything that you. You just keep doing this. Like a usual habit of yours. सोचते वक्त भी ऐसे ही सोचेगा.
Do you have anything about her?
Her, she gives micro expressions. Very much micro expression. If there is some awkward moment or some uncomfortable moment on the screen, or like all on camera or off camera, she's like, she goes clueless for a few seconds. She goes clueless. और सामने वालों को समझ में नहीं आता, but मैंने देखा है, तो I have observed that. So it's a very clueless moment, and she grows clueless. It's a very micro expression. It comes and goes in a fraction of a second. Because she's laughing, that means she's accepting it.
Okay.
It's very much.
You won't be able to catch it. You need to spend like 8 minutes with me so that you can speak like that.
Okay, so guys, on this note, thank you so much, first of all, for this lovely interview. And anything for your fans, इस show में, काफी twists and turns are happening in your show. But what they can expect from the show, या फिर Raghav or Pallavi say, what do you want to say?
What we want to say, come on, there are big twists. And already people are seeing that, and already we are getting good, lovely messages. I'm getting good, lovely messages. And even Pallavi is getting good, lovely messages.
Pallavi is actually getting lovely messages. People are feeling sad for me.
तो दोनों को आ रहा है, बहुत सारे प्यार से भरे हुए मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं. तो ऐसे ही देखते रहना शो, और हमें टीआरपी देते रहना. 5:30 को शो का नया टाइम स्लॉट है, तो देखते रहना 5:30 को.
Yeah, don't worry, you're going to get amazing story. You will get what you want to see, but you need to have patience. अभी इतना easily दिखा देंगे राघव और पल्लवी साथ में, everything is happy, then you won't.
तो क्या देखने का?
You get used to it, ना? We are just trying. मिलने के बाद हो गए, क्या देखोगे? So we are trying our best to, showcase everything, every realistic thing that is possible. So stick to the television and wait for Raghav and Pallavi to come together.
Right. Yeah. Okay, guys, on this note, thank you so much for this lovely interview. And I do hope that this show get lots and lots of love and the happiness which it deserves. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Hi guys, this is Riya Sharma and you're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.